It's a new 2019 GMC YUKON XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry even more in this YUKON XL. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.